So here's the complete Tome AI tutorial for beginners. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Tome AI. Go to the website, click on Try Tome, a new tab will open. Create your account with email and password. You can also continue with your Google account. Write your name and role and then click Next. Now, write your workspace name. I will write presentations. Continue to workspace. Then choose your plan. I will choose free plan. Pro plan is $8 per month. Click Continue. Now your account is created. These are all the templates. 500 AI credits in free plan. Click on Create on the top right corner. Choose a theme from this option. Now I am creating page on benefits of daily exercise. You can see AI created page on the topic provided. Now I am going to create a presentation on the same topic. This is the best tool of Tome AI. You can see title and content of the presentation. Click Continue. AI created 8 slides presentation on topic benefits of daily exercise. You can also edit slides like this. On the bottom left corner, click Add Page. If you want to add more information like this workout, on the top right corner, click on Share and Copy Link. Now you can share presentation link with anyone, and you can play slides from this icon. This is a complete Tome AI tutorial for beginners.